Hi everybody, and welcome to the channel. My name is Rotem, and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over 20 years. If it's your first time in the channel, please click on the subscribe button, and you will show notification whenever I'm uploading new videos. Today we are continuing with our series about how we can do affiliate marketing without showing our face. And if it's your first time on the channel, I think that it's better that you start with part 1 because the series is teaching you step by step, and you need to see part 1, 2, 3, etc. in order to understand what we are doing. In this video, I will continue with the creation of TikTok and Instagram videos, faceless videos. In the last part, I teach you how you can create a kind of video. And in this video, I will teach you how you can create a video with static photos and not just with the background of videos. Okay, like you know, the product we are promoting is Builderall in this series. So what we can do is go over the dashboard of Builderall after you sign in the first video in the series, and then here you will see the affiliate link. You remember that we connected to the domain, and if you click on the research board, you will see a lot of images and materials that you can use in order to promote Builderall. Okay, so what I did is went over to the research board and download an image that we will use in our video. In Canva, what we will do is go into social media, and then we see, for example, we can take the Instagram reel, create a blank. Today we do it for scratch without using a template. After we click on it, we have a blank area with the proper width. That's good for Instagram Reels or TikTok. And then what we need to do is to upload the image that we got from Builderall. And we click on the image. We can center or position the image where we need. And now what I want to do is to add a video in the background of the image in order that it will be very more interesting. So I'm going to pixel.com, and then I type in video like something like beach. And we can see a lot of videos in the collection, and we can filter it. I will be looking for a vertical videos. And then we look for a video that we think that will be interesting in the background, but it won't catch or focus of the elements that we put on it. I think this one is nice, so I will download it. And I click on upload the files and choose the video that we just download for pixels.com. We wait for some seconds. And then I click on the image of the video. Now we can position the video. And I'm doing a right click and then send to the back. Now we have our image, and in the background we have video. So it looks something like that. Okay. Take the image a little bit to the bottom. Then I want to add a call to action on the top of the video. So I'm going to element and I will search for arrows. I'm looking for arrows that have a free animation inside them. Arrows that are free and have animation inside them. So we see that this, for example, it's a paid version. It needs to be for the paid version. Okay, I think this one is okay. I move it to the top. Okay, just for example. And now I duplicate the element. And here on the top I can do a flip horizontal for the same arrow. So now we have two arrows on the top of the video. And what I want to do is to add the domain that we bought already in the series, that people that will look all this reel will go over to the domain with the call to action. So I want to add a label. So I'm searching for labels. I think we can take something like that. Put it here. Okay, and now we will add the domain. Just for the example, I will click www domain. It's your domain. Of course, we can change the color of the font, change the kind of the font, etc. But this is just to have like a placeholder for the your domain that we have here. Okay, so I think now we have a video. You can look at it from the start, that have a movement in the background, and we have a point of arrows to the domain. So if a user will see this picture, see the call to action, then join the investigation, and then he go and type in the domain in order to see the landing page for this offer. The next thing that we want to do is to have steps inside our video in order that it will be more interesting. So like we did in the last part, I'm going to the video and I want to crop the video after 3 seconds and continue from there. So before the cropping, I will do a duplicate. Click and do a duplicate. And I go to the first part, clicking on the video and crop it after 3 seconds. Then I go to the next part, click on the next part, click on the video, and I crop the starting of the 3 seconds. like that, and click on done. So now we have the start, and we can, in the first part, we can remove elements. For example, we remove the arrow and the domain element. Oops, sorry. And then after 3 seconds, we will see the continue of the movement in the background. Like we did in the last part, we can add the transition. Click on the plus icon, and then I think this one is work better. In the last part, I recommend you to click on start, but I saw that this one is looking better. And move it to the smallest duration that I can. And now the transition between the two parts will look better. And also I think that because the video is too long, we can crop it. I think maybe after 15 seconds. Here. Okay, so we click on the video and we can crop it. Here. That's all. Take it less than 15 seconds, but you understand the point of the cropping. Now we need just to download the video. We can change the name here on the top. For example, we can call it video 1. And then click on the file and download it. Okay, we click on the file, download, and click on the download. You see that the video is downloading. Okay, that's for this part. In the next part, I will continue with the creation of more types of video, and we'll create an infographic video. Thank you.